Many of us operate under the belief that self-criticism will motivate us to be the person we think we should be. However, the continuous noise from our inner critic can diminish our motivation and make us feel anxious and dissatisfied with our lives. Practicing self-compassion is a good way to counteract our inner critic and can increase our motivation and emotional resilience, improve our body image, and boost our happiness and optimism. Here are some ways you can show yourself more compassion. When something painful or disappointing happens to you, recognize what's happening and ask yourself, how can I be kind to myself in this moment? What understanding and caring things would you say to a good friend experiencing the same thing? Remind yourself that you can ask for help if you need it. It's a sign of strength and courage, not a sign of weakness. Another way to practice self-compassion is to comfort your body. Try eating something healthy, taking a walk, massaging your shoulders, or even giving yourself a hug. Practicing mindfulness can help you turn off your autopilot and retrain your brain so that self-compassion becomes more natural. The ability to be fully aware of your thoughts, feelings, and what's going on around you will help you transform your inner critic into an inner complimenter. When you extend compassion to yourself, you can better connect with your own health, happiness, and potential. It acknowledges that you are enough, just as you are.
If you have a question or topic you'd like us to consider, please let us know.